Okay, hi everyone. So in this video we are going to focus much on paper 1 biology. This is 2020. Okay, so just to show you a bit of information, as you can see the time here is 50 minutes and the entire paper carries exactly 40 marks, which means you're not advised to spend more than 1 minute on a question. Okay, so now here they are saying each correct answer will score 1 mark and a mark will not be deducted for a wrong answer. So you're not penalized for giving a wrong answer, but you don't have to give a wrong answer, you just have to make it correct. Okay, so let us go to our first question. So question number 1 is saying a living organism absorbs glucose, releases energy in its cells, then passes out carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Now the question is, which characteristic of living things are described in the statement above? Okay, so if you look at our key here, where there's a tick, it means yes, that thing has been described in the above statement, and where there's X, it means no, that particular characteristic has not been described in the above statement. So let us run through our choices that we have. So let us begin with the first one. Okay, so as you can see, according to the first choice, it shows to say excretion has been ticked. It means that in this description here, we are having excretion. Okay, we don't know if it is really there. We are going to find out later. Then also, where growth is concerned, it means that in this particular statement, there's nothing like growth. That's why here they've put an X. Also there, when nutrition is ticked, yes, it means that in this sentence, there's nutrition taking place, and so on and so forth. So let us find out. So is A our answer, B, C, or D? Okay, feel free to pause the video and try to give your answer. Okay, so in this case, our best answer is A. Okay, so A is our best answer for this problem. Okay, sorry, let me just remove this. Okay, so A is our best answer in this particular part. Why? Because as you can see, here they're saying all living organisms absorb glucose. So the absorption of glucose is what we call nutrition. Okay, then release of energy in its cell is what we call respiration. Then passing out of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere is what we call excretion. But you cannot see a living organism growing here, increasing in mass, in size, and so on. Also, you can't see it exhibiting sensitivity, which is irritability. So our answer here is A. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. 3 cell structures are listed below. So the first one, number 1, we have the cell wall. Number 2, we have the cytoplasm. Number 3, we have the nucleus. So now the question is, which structures are found in both palisade cell and a liver cell? So before you can answer this one, you have to be able to understand that a palisade cell is a plant cell, then a liver cell is an animal cell. Okay, so now they're asking us to find out, say, which structure are found in both. So we know to say in an animal cell and in a plant cell, we should only be able to find the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Therefore, our answer has to be C, because C contains both the cytoplasm and the nucleus. You can't pick A, because A contains the cell wall, and the cell wall is found only in plants, not in animals. Okay, so our best answer here is C. Okay, so now let us move on to the next one. So this particular question is coming from Osmosis. Like I told you, this is how things are going to be arranged, even for you. Okay, so they're saying the diagram below shows a piece of vacuum tubing containing starch suspension held in a beaker of pure water. So saliva was added to the starch and the experiment was left for 2 hours. Okay, so we have the experiment here, as you can see, and as you can see from the first part here, saliva was being added at the beginning, and at the end we see some other changes that have just happened here, because from this tube we see things rising up there. Okay, so now the question is, what does this experiment show? Okay, so this experiment, they show saliva is a solvent for starch, which is absolutely wrong. Saliva passes through vascular tubing. Wrong. Okay, starch can be changed to sugar. Is that correct? Which is absolutely correct. Why? Because as you can see, we had the starch here, and also we had the sugar present. So it means that this starch can be changed to sugar. So our answer is C. Okay, so for every question, please feel free to pause the video and try to see if you can also get this.